Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. On today's show, we'll discuss 5 creative ways to find your ideal position. Okay, you have posted to every internet job board and every job on Monster, Career Builder, and Indeed. You followed up with calls and networked until you're blue in the face. You are looking and applying to every job on Craigslist in your field with little to no results. Well, try some of these unique ways to find a job. So send half of your resume. Find a company you want to work at, write a great cover letter on why you are a good fit, pointing to the enclosed resume, but don't seal the envelope and don't enclose the resume. They'll think the resume fell out in the mail. They will call you and engage in a conversation. This is where you sell yourself shamelessly. Also, write a prospecting letter. Make use of the power of direct mail. Locate 5 to 10 companies. Write a letter to your contacts in your network and ask them if they know anyone who works at the companies on your list. When a contact says they know someone on your list, send them your resume, ask them to forward it to their contact, or ask permission to send it yourself. Try email chain letter. Create a list of 20 companies you want to work for and send an email to everyone you know to see if they know anyone who works at these companies you're looking at. Ask them to contact you if they do, so that you can ask for a referral. Finally, ask them to forward your email to 10 more people. Of course, if you're currently employed, do not do this because it can get out of control. Distribute an ebook. Write an ebook with information relevant to your industry and give it away. Everyone loves free information, and this demonstrates your expertise. Give the ebook away for free and send it to hiring managers in your network or on LinkedIn. Call Human Resources. Sounds crazy, right? Call the Human Resources Department. Ask them what outside agency or third-party recruiting firm they use. They will ask you why do you want to know, and of course tell them that their company is not currently looking for someone with your skill set right now, and the agency they work with may know other organizations who are, and that you are looking for recommendations. They may very well ask for an interview. If not, hey, you at least got a lead. They would love to save agency fees. Also, being recommended gives you special attention. And then also this gives you a chance to follow up with a phone call and a thank you note. Try these guerrilla tactics to get hired. For more tips, tricks, and training, check out gethiredsecrets.com. Until next time, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.